In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a conversation on Facebook Messenger from both sides. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Messenger app. Then you can get into some conversation, and maybe you want to remove just specific messages in the conversation, so you can easily do that. Just hold down your finger at that message, then select more, and then hit add unsend. If you want to remove that message from both sides, just hit add unsend for everyone. Also, you can go back to your chats, and from here you are able to remove the entire conversation. You can just hold down at any conversation and then just hit add delete. It will ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete this conversation? If you want to continue, just hit add delete. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook Messenger tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.